Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here at Paul Sherry Used Cars. It's a beautiful morning right now where I'm at. I hope it's beautiful wherever you are. And I'm out test driving and reviewing this 2014. This is a General Motors GMC Denali Acadia. So Denali is the trim level and it's going to be all the excuse me, all the fixings on it. This has got all the nice equipment on it and seems to be well maintained. It's got a recent oil change sticker up in it, which I always like to see. It's got under 136,000 miles on it, but drives out really well. Tires are newer, and yeah, excited to review this vehicle for you today. So I always like to check the front windshield for cracks and things like that, and I do not see any. The exterior paint on it is kind of a black metallic. It definitely sparkles in the sun. Headlights look good, fog lights look good. There's a little bit of just dew on top of the headlights. It's early morning, but I don't see any moisture inside the headlight assemblies. It does have General Motors alloy wheels down here, wrapped in, get this, Michelin tires. So yeah, it's a nice smooth ride. The wheel size on this is 20-inch, four-wheel disc brakes as well, and a good amount of tread left on the tire. I did check the date. The date on the tire shows the 8th week of 2020. That's what that 0820 means right there on the tire. So passenger side really looks good. This is a 7-passenger vehicle, so it's got the 2 captain's chairs in the second row. And then notice down here, it's got all the rubber matting all throughout here, which is nice, keep it clean. And then it's got the 3rd row with 3 passengers. This does have the optional second row skylight. It's got the shade as well. And then right here, it's got the optional rear entertainment center. So I know back in 2014, that was a big deal. Now with everyone having tablets and stuff, not so much a big deal, but it's nice to have. Rear heat and air conditioning controls, and then down here it's got the USB chargers for those said tablets. All right, everything looks good here. Got dual exhaust coming out the back. We've got our badging back here. So it has parking sensors in the rear bumper. That's the little circles you see. It's Acadia, and this is, I didn't mention, an all-wheel drive Acadia. Got the rear wiper and electronic defrosting rear window. On the keyless entry here now, we've got remote start, lock, unlock, and then tailgate release, which is nice. And then also got panic. So power tailgate, that's super handy if your hands are full. Maybe you just went to the grocery store or whatever. That's nice to have. So it's got fold down seats. Looks like we've got volume control back here. So this is kind of like a tailgater edition, where if you want to pop the tailgate up and adjust the volume and stuff on the radio, if you're out tailgating, that's kind of cool. These seats fold down just like that. That'll fold down the same. Even the second row will fold down. Maybe you bought that huge TV at the Best Buy store. So yeah, looks pretty good back there. Go ahead and lower that down. Let's see here, maybe this button right here. There we go. Driver's side looks good. A few minor little scratches I catch. I don't think actually that's grease, that's not a scratch. It hasn't been through detail yet, so some of these will buff out, but very minor. Yeah. Now financing is available on this Acadia. I get that question a lot, so if you're interested in financing, you're watching this video, I'll post a link down below in the description, and you can get started right from the device you're watching this video on, so that's pretty cool. All right, let's check out the seat operation here. It's got power seat and 2-way power lumbar. Seat, of course, is leather. It's got the perforated inserts here, which is nice, keeps you a little bit cooler, less sweaty on those hot days. It does have a Bose stereo system, and got the rubber matting up front here to keep the car clean. And then let's go ahead and start it up. Get the key in my hand. All right, fires right up just fine. Turn the radio down, I was jamming. All right, so it has You see up here on the dash, no warning lights. A little red flasher there is just my seatbelt light. I haven't put it on yet. It's got 135,465 miles on it, so low miles. Got automatic headlights here. It's got power mirrors, and also power fold-in mirrors. Both sides work in and out. That's nice if you park on the street, the Walmart parking lot, even in the garage, those tighter garages. I've got power windows and locks. Beverage holder down low. Got a little bit of wood grain on the steering wheel, which is cool, and leather on the rest. Cruise control also, as well as hands-free connectivity and volume and tuning. For the radio, we've got a CD player, AM, FM radio here. Let's see what else we've got on this radio. Got phone controls, got Bluetooth controls, got XM radio. So yeah, it's got it all. Heat and air conditioning controls down here. You can also control the rear zone down here. I saw where you control the rear zone back there, but you can also control it down here. Automatic transmission in these. Okay, look here. So it's got cooled seats. Another good reason why you have those perforations. And also heated seats up here. Trailer tow, traction control, rear wiper all right there. A couple beverage holders, spot for your phone, change organizer. And then this will open up here. Oh, there's your TV remote. So yeah, all that works real good. Got a second skylight, or a first skylight, however you want to put it. It's the 2 skylights total up here. That opens up. I'm going to keep it closed. It's a little dewy out there today. And then programs up here for your remote control. Now, I did pull up the history report. Never been in an accident, which is always a good thing. And I don't see anything weird on this, but you can see for yourself. There's 6 pages of this, or 8 pages of this. So just go to our website and check that out. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Appreciate it. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you like our stuff, just subscribe to our channel. You'll see some more. If you have any funny comments, let me know down below. Anything serious, by all means, call in. We'll be happy to help you. Oh, I almost forgot. See the heads-up display? I'm glad I pulled out. Yeah, it's got the heads-up display. It tells outside temperature, what gear you're in, and also speed limit. Another thing to keep you from getting that speeding ticket. All right, I'm signing out. Thanks for hanging. Bye-bye.